Next example we are going to study is how to find the largest element in the given array. So in the main function, something like this. So let's define an integer array this way. 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 6, 55, 20, 4, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 elements. So duplicated data is okay. So given array, we want to find the largest element. So if I do my util largest function call given array with 10 elements, then 55 is the largest one. So let's design largest function. Integer array and size is provided. Int myutil largest integer array is provided and size is provided. So let's assert that size is at least 1. And the first step of a recursive function design is solve for the smallest possible size. If size is 1, it's the only one, then return data 0. We have only one element there. And then else, let's consider how to convert those induction hypotheses and then solve for given size and the like. So an array is provided. This is given size array. So induction hypothesis, if we have any smaller size, like exclude the last one, smaller size array, we know the solution. So if we know the largest one, suppose here is the largest value here. If I know the largest value in the array except for last one, then what is the largest for the entire array? I know induction hypothesis is I know smallest any smallest size solution. So which means largest smaller size. So if I give a size -1, I know the largest number up to one last second to the last element. So this is in induction hypothesis, giving one less size. Then what's the size of what's the largest number for the entire array? So that is the design procedure. Then what is the largest for the entire array? Whichever is larger, the last element versus the largest with one less size. Whichever is larger is the largest. So let's write code this way. So induction hypothesis, we know that the largest except the last one is. So here, else part, let's write the code this way. Integer m is largest from one less size. Then m versus the last element, data size -1 is the last element. So whichever is larger is the solution. So how do we find the bigger of the two? We have a max function from CMath library. So just return whichever is larger, m versus the last element here, largest, the array name is data there. So max function is in C++, CMath library. So I need to include CMath library. So let's test the program. In this case, largest is 55. Compile, and error message is max is not defined. So max is not CMath library, but it is some other one. So let's find what that is. So from search C++ max function. So C++ max function is in algorithm library, not the CMath. So that's what I made an error. So in here, I need to include the algorithm library. Now error message is gone. Compile and run.